Discover the best wire stripping machines on the market, designed to provide efficiency and precision for your wiring projects. These top-rated machines are perfect for both professional electricians and DIY enthusiasts, ensuring clean and accurate stripping of various wire types and sizes. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best wire stripping machines you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Feel the power and efficiency of the Vevor electric wire stripping machine, ranked 5th among the best wire stripping machines on the market. This powerhouse features a robust 180-watt motor that dramatically speeds up the stripping process, saving you time and money. With an impressive speed of 60 feet per minute, the hands-free design enhances both safety and convenience. Perfect for cable and wire manufacturers, recycling plants, and copper product factories, this wire stripper is built to last. Its sturdy cast aluminum body and clear acrylic panel provide a transparent view of the stripping process, while its non-deformed structure ensures long-lasting durability. The Vevor wire stripper is incredibly versatile and designed to handle a wide range of wires. Whether you're dealing with hardcover wires, soft cover wires, multi-conductor wires, or monofilament wires, this machine makes the task effortless, priced at $138 US. The StripMeister E350X is a top-tier wire stripping machine, ranking 4th among the best in its category. Designed for durability and versatility, it boasts a robust frame capable of stripping wires ranging from 18 to 500 mcm and diameters from 0.08 to 1.043 inches. This machine efficiently handles various wire types, including Romex and braided wires. Constructed from solid aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, the E350X features a precision-engineered machine knife and a heat-treated tool steel feeder. Its ultra-grip technology ensures smooth, snag-free stripping, setting it apart from competitors. The 1/4 HP fan-cooled DC motor enables continuous operation, ideal for extensive stripping tasks. This electric wire stripper can be plugged into any standard outlet, making it convenient for use at home, workshops, or job sites. The StripMeister E350X offers variable speed control to accommodate different wire sizes and conditions. This feature allows users to adjust the speed for optimal stripping efficiency, whether dealing with large or small diameter wires. Priced at $597 US, the StripMeister E350X combines strength, precision, and ease of use, making it an excellent investment for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The Creworks electric wire stripper machine is a top choice for effortless wire stripping, ranking as the number 3 best wire stripping machine. This machine simplifies the task of removing insulation from old electrical wiring, achieving speeds of up to 49 feet per minute with its robust 180W motor. Designed for versatility, it accommodates a range of wire sizes from 0.06 to 0.9 inches without needing to switch feed holes. This automatic cable stripper features an adjustable feed hole, allowing you to handle various wire sizes safely and efficiently. The machine's user-friendly design includes a handy adjustment knob to set the blade height to your specific needs. Simply power it on, feed your copper cable through the hole, and let the V-shaped grooved roller guide the wire steadily. The CR Move 12 steel blade ensures clean, precise cuts every time, while the reinforced aluminum frame offers durability and reliability for long-term use. Priced at $170 US. The StripMeister Original Wire Stripping Machine Gen 2 is a top-notch tool, hailed as the second best wire stripping machine available. Featuring advanced ultra-grip wire feeder technology, this machine significantly boosts torque, reduces slippage, and effortlessly untangles mangled wires, ensuring a smooth stripping process without any slips or jams. This industrial-grade automatic wire stripper is perfect for all your scrap wire needs. Portability is a key feature of the StripMeister. Lightweight and compact, it fits easily into a bag or vehicle, making it convenient to transport wherever scrap wires need stripping. Manufactured in North America with high-quality materials, it promises durability and top performance. The StripMeister is drill-powered, transforming a simple hand drill into a formidable stripping tool capable of handling various wire types, including Romex and braided wires. This versatility makes it an essential tool for practical and economical wire recycling. Designed to strip wires of different sizes and diameters ranging from 0.08 to 0.79 inches, the StripMeister saves time and effort. Its Romex slot increases efficiency by 33% over other tools. This machine excels at stripping kinked and twisted cables, significantly reducing the manual effort and time required. Priced at $149. The Creworks manual wire stripper machine is an essential tool for effortlessly stripping wire insulation. Known as the best wire stripping machine, it features an easy-to-handle hand crank that powers a durable steel blade, efficiently removing plastic and rubber insulation from old electrical wiring. For added convenience, users can connect the hand tool to an electric drill for automatic cranking. This versatile machine accommodates a wide range of wire sizes, from 0.06 to 1 inch, making it ideal for various applications. Its adjustable feeding panel ensures safe and easy handling of the most common wire sizes. Constructed with heavy-duty reinforced aluminum, the wire stripper's frame ensures long-term durability, while the alloy steel blade maintains its sharpness for clean cuts every time. Operation is simple. Adjust the blade height using the knob, feed the copper cable through the appropriate hole, and turn the hand crank to strip the insulation. The Creworks manual wire stripper machine weighs 6.2 pounds and comes with a 1-year warranty, offering peace of mind and reliability. Priced at just $69. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.